Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items today from OneDaySaving. They were kind enough to send me these. In fact, this one I didn't even know I was getting. But to start, they have started, or I've seen a few places, OneDaySaving was the first, that do the clear display books. So if any of you have been watching my other channel, which is Add More Zest with 4 Kids at 147, you'll know that I use these types of display books to hold completed diamond paintings. So in this instance, these are my landscape pictures that I put in this one, and then I have one that I use for my horizontal as well. I've been using them for quite a while. I've now got 3 in total because I filled one up, but they're doing A3 clear pocket books. I picked up the peachy pink colour for this one, but they have 30 different pockets in this. So you get the clear pockets, and then I pop in a piece of A3 cardstock, which I put my painting on to give it a bit more rigidity. But there's loads of different colours of these. So if you want a storage book for your smaller diamond paintings that have been completed that maybe you aren't displaying on your wall at this time, then I will pop a link down below for this. They also, just to have let's have a look at what they sent me that I didn't know was coming. This looks to be some sort of tool. What's the turny thing for? Is it a turn or is it a click? No, it's a twist. Oh, it's wax. Oh, okay. So it is a diamond painting pen, or the wax for a diamond painting pen, and you twist this to get the wax to come out. So if I then clear that off, you can then use that to pick up your diamonds with wax in it. And if you haven't turned it down quite as much as I did, whenever you need to refill up your wax or re-add more wax, you just twist the top and it will give you more. I actually like that idea, because if anybody that still uses wax and prefers to use wax, this could be very helpful than having to fill up your wax quite often. You can just have it to pop out of the pen for you. So that's quite a nifty little pen. I'll see if I can find the link for this one as well. Provided I can find it on the website, I'll have that link down below too. And then I also got an off the canvas item. I have had some of these LED lamps before, but this design caught my eye. So you do get the base for the lamp. It does require batteries, which don't get sent, but it is 3 AAA batteries that you need. You do also get a mains charger, so you can do it by battery or by charger. And then you get the piece of acrylic with the design on that you actually do both sides. So I went for this blue fox, and then this sits inside here, just nestles in the top, and it will shine up on it multicoloured lights, or you can have it as a single light. You can do either. You do get the toolkit that you need, and then you do get the diamonds. Let me put that one down there, because at least then you guys can actually see it. You do get the diamonds to add to this. So we've got 4 big blue ones, which are 2 on either side. So we get the right amount for that. But then we have some sort of pearlized AB coated smooth round in white, AB coated with facets in black, so black and AD coated. Then we have a couple of different shades of blue rhinestones. We then have the different shape blue, big, clear or silver, different shape silver, and then some small silver as well. So it's all silvers and blues because it's a wolf, and a very pretty wolf at that. Let me see if I can get those to just go back in that way. So I don't know what this is stuck on it for. Oh, it did have some sort of coding on it, but that's the image that it finishes as. And yeah, it's multiple LED lights that you can set. I think you can set them. Maybe it is just an on and off. But yeah, it will shine up through the acrylic and shine onto your wolf, but it is double-sided. So that is the off the canvas item for today, because the wolf just, I don't know, he looked cool. Let me get him back in his box. Put the two bigger pieces in first, and then the rest can squeeze around him so that he fits back in. So that's item number 2. And then I do also have a diamond painting. And this one I just thought was a nice one to have in, especially if maybe as a wedding gift to somebody, and it's just the hands of a couple that looks to be a bride and a groom, showing their ring fingers. It has 24 colours. Get that to just help it go a little bit flatter. It has 24 different colours. It uses letters and symbols, though I'm not seeing numbers. They do look clear though. So it does look like it's clear letters and numbers using black on the lighter colours, and either, yeah, it looks like it's white on the darker colours. It is a round. Size-wise, okay, where's the end of my tape measure? The actual diamond painting area is just short of 25 centimetres by just short of 35 centimetres. And it comes in baggies, but they are the colours that are included in this one. So a few more muted, but then we do have some gorgeous pinks, a little bit of pop of some bright green for in the greenery at the bottom. I think I'd probably start this one from the top, because I think we've got a lot more interest at the bottom, but I think that would make a really nice potential wedding gift for somebody as something a little bit different. So more different items necessarily than diamond paintings for today, but I think they're all well used. I know I use these display books, so it is handy to be able to have somewhere else to get those from, and the fact that you can get them in multiple different colours. It actually matches the wedding one. We've got a pen that will dispense the wax for you. I say I'll pop the link, provided I can find that, and a fun off the canvas item to do for something a little bit different. So I'll pop all the links down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you to OneDaySaving for sending me these items to share with you all. I'll speak to you all again soon.